Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys I'm going to guide how you can go to the BIOS in the Lenovo laptop or system. Okay, so let's start. First of all, what you can do is you can turn on your PC and then you can press F1 or F2 key. Most of the time it will be F1 and F2, and if that is not working you can press with function and then F1 key in your laptop. And additionally it will show you the more options here. Turn on your laptop and then immediately press like this, tap the key like this, and this will show you the BIOS option. Keep pressing it, and I could not able to press it properly, so I'm going again to restart the system. Immediately press the F1 key. As you can see here, so by this way you can go to the Lenovo BIOS option. But if that option is not working in your system, then you can go to the options that says interrupt to startup options. Press Ctrl Alt Delete, and it will show you basically the options to check what is the BIOS key on your system. For that you can see it is saying to press the escape key and all the options are showing up here accordingly. Then you can press on your system and then you should able to get the BIOS option on your Lenovo system or laptop. Even you can search it, but this is the way. And if operating system is normally booting on our system, then I will show you also that way. So if you are able to boot into the system, then we have the options. Simply open system settings here, look for the system, and then scroll down, look for the options, recovery, reset, advanced, startup, and go back, and click on the option startup, advanced, startup. Click on restart here, click on restart. Even you can press shift key and simply restart the system, and then you will see the advanced recovery options there. And if you don't know the key and somehow you are missing the pressing it on the time, so this step will work only if you have latest Windows 11 UEFI firmware settings. Then this will work. You click on UEFI firmware settings, click on that option and click on restart, and this will lead any system to enter into the BIOS options. So as you can see here, we have successfully achieved the BIOS options here. So these are the possible steps to go into the BIOS option on Lenovo system or laptop. So this is the video guys, and I hope this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching. If normal you are not able to get your Windows, then you can forcefully turn off your system 2 to 3 times to get the advanced recovery options. Okay.